In this video, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from one Robinhood account to another, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Open the Robinhood app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, scroll to find Transfers under the Investing section and tap on it. On the Transfers page, select Transfer Accounts into Robinhood. Next, choose the brokerage you want to transfer your stocks from and enter the account number. Confirm the account name and details. The app will check if the account is eligible for a transfer. Once it's accepted, you can choose between a partial transfer or a full transfer. After confirming your choice, the stocks will be transferred into your Robinhood account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.